What's up? It's Aidawan, and today we're visiting Aqua Park, the place where you can have a lot of fun in water. As you can see, there are a couple of giant tubes where you can slide from. So you can jump in it, or you can use stairs. Actually, you cannot jump. And here are some swimming suit life jackets and yellow circles, which is very fun to swim in. And also you can slide in one of the tube from. This is the second swimming pool. As you can see, there are a couple of fountains where basically you have to stand underneath of them. And this is the red tube. It is covered, so it's black inside. Oh my god, a giant fountain! It's not always working, but when it does work, it is very awesome, like you're standing under the super rain. In here, you can see a small boxes with tiny fishes. You're supposed to put your legs in it, or hands, or even head. Okay, legs in it, and they will bite small pieces of your skin. But actually that's not scary, because it's like a dead skin or eaten skin. Or, well, the bad skin, they eat all the bad skin, so it's like a procedure. And this is the main swimming pool. The thing about it is that there are some waves in it, and there's a special signal, and once it is started, the waves keep getting bigger and bigger. Take a look at the small places for a kid, where small kids can play, and they have even some tubes, kind of small tubes, and a fountain that looks like a mushroom. All this aqua park is underneath the glass ceiling, so it's very fun to be there at winter when it is snowing. And of course, a jacuzzi. Who wants to go inside? Okay, let's go. Look at all those bubbles! And there are some beautiful lights there. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Oh, it's Aidawan! Yeah, I'm actually wearing a hydro suit and a special mask because like I'm a professional visitor of aqua parks, and I'm ready to have some fun. As we get out of the jacuzzi, there is a lot of seats where you can sit or lay. That's actually a working day, so not too much people inside this aqua park. And what is that? What is that? Oh my god, that's a giant pirate ship! Yes, look at this beautiful swimming pool. It's actually very deep near the bank. And this pirate ship, it has guns! Well, there, of course, they air-pumped guns, but anyway, you can actually jump in it and sell it to the treasure island. Yeah. You're probably saying, okay, Aidawan, that's a nice aqua park, but can you show some footage from underwater? Yeah? How does it look from under the water? Okay, guys, just for you, I have a super footage. We're diving in. As you can see, the water is very beautiful. The deepness varies from the distance. As it's closer to bank, it's actually not so deep. As further you go from the bank, it gets very deep. And the water is very nice. It's not actually too hot. It's a warm, cold, something between warm and cold. Not too cold though. And it is blue. Yeah. Probably you already noticed that, right? In the whole aqua park, there are special places with bubbles coming out, and they're very fun to stand at because you have a kind of massage. But it's even more beautiful to dive there. Alright. But anyway, let's get out of the water and see what's on the second floor. So we're using the stairs to get up, and ta-da! There are another swimming pools which are lighted, and here is a beautiful balcony where you can eat some delicious food. Alright, and maybe to wave to your friends if you came with the friends. So there are a couple of different pools on the second floor. There they're like lighted with the green and blue colors, and actually there is even a cold swimming pool. Oh, you're asking how does it look from the underneath the water? Here's how! Ooh, Ninja Turtles world! Yeah! Haha! Alright! That's actually swimming pools from the sauna. As you can see, they are lighted with different colors, and the saunas are on the left and on the right from the swimming pool. It's very hot there, so no, we're not going there. No. And here is another swimming pool, if you're not fed up with the swimming pools. And a couple of tables where you can find some food. And that's about it, right? Of course not, because we didn't ride a tube yet. So let's go and check it out. As you saw before, there are a couple of tubes. The small ones are for children. On my right side, there are like yellow and green tubes. Nah, they're very easy. Oh, we're not going there. There is a very beautiful tube where you can ride a yellow-aired circle. It's the red tube. Who you wanna go there? All right. I'm just kidding, that was just a black screen, but anyway, you won't notice the difference because the camera doesn't capture anything when there is no light. So let's go and ride the blue one! Ooh. It's not covered and it's very fun. Ready, steady, go! Yeah! The camera doesn't record the sound when it's covered, so I have to make it by my own right now. As you can see, I'm riding very slowly because I was filmed. Actually, I was even stuck there. I stopped at the end of the tube. I couldn't go anywhere, and now jumping in the water. Yay! Yeah. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. By the way, the price for entering this aquapark varies from $25 to $50 per person, depending on which day of the week it is and how much time would you prefer to spend there. Anyway, that's a good place to visit, and actually the water is pretty warm there, even in winter. Yeah. That was Untitled, and see you next time. Bye.